What's up, people? Right now I'm in my car. It's 5:07 o'clock in the morning and I am heading towards the beach because today I want to do a video talking to you about ND filters. Not only that, I want you guys to come with me on my journey of taking long exposure shots at the beach. So let's get started. But before that, I need to get some coffee. Hi, morning. Can I get a medium-sized iced latte with liquid sugar on it and 2 glazed donuts, please? Donuts. Alright, people, so here I am at South Beach. I've been here sitting since 5:30 in the morning. Right now it's something around 6:45, almost 7 o'clock in the morning, and I've been taking a couple of shots. My camera, long exposures. Obviously, right now my camera is set up to a bulb mode to 2 minutes with 2 ND filters attached to it. I'll show them to you in a minute. But what I wanted to talk about is these things here. So these are ND filters. These are from a brand called Newer. It's probably not the best glass you can put in front of your lens because these are made of plastic, but for the purpose of this video, I decided to buy them so I could take some long exposure pictures so I can show you how it works. So how this works is, and I'm going to show you in a minute so you can see how this really works. These are like sunglasses for your camera. I'm going to show you what happens if I put this in front of the lens. You see how much darker that gets? Well, that is because these filters are made for blocking the sun the same way as the sunglasses do. So we've got different modes. This one is, as you can see, is a graduated ND filter. This is like a 8 probably, or 16. I really don't remember what's the grade of this, but you'll find them in different gradations. These ones are lighter. The one that I have is probably the one I showed you, the darkest one. Right now I've got 2 filters on my camera. Let me show you. Let me see if I can show you this. Look at this. You see this filter here? Well, this has 2 filters attached to it. This is a version of the leaf filters, which you can stack in, or the Kakin, which are super good. But that is about what I've been doing right now. So I've been taking long exposure pictures. I'll show you in a minute the results of what I've been shooting. So thank you for watching and stick around.